그렇지. Today we'll make canapes. 우리 오늘은 캐너피를 만들어 볼 거야. It is our first cooking class, so I'm very excited. 이게 우리 첫 번째 쿠킹 클래스잖아. 그래서 엄청 신나거든. What about you?
Me too.
You too? You're excited? 신나는구나. So before we start, we have to wash our hands. 우리 시작 전에 손을 씻어야 돼. Did you wash your hands? 손 씻었어?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna let you know what we need. 우리가 뭐 필요한지 알려줄게. We need some crackers. 우리 crackers 필요해. 뭐라고?
Crackers.
Yes, this is a square cracker.
Square cracker.
And we need a round cracker.
Round cracker.
Right. And we need a piece of cheese. Cheese. And we need a piece of ham. A piece of ham. 햄도 필요해. And we need some sauce. Some ketchup and some strawberry jam. What is it? Strawberry jam. What is it? Ketchup, right. And our canapes are not the normal ones. 우리 캐너피는 평범한 캐너피가 아니야. 왜냐하면 because we're gonna use some jelly. 우리 젤리를 쓸 거거든. What is it? It's a peach. 맞아, 이거 복숭아 젤리야. And what is it? It's an orange jelly. What are they? They are grapes. 오, 얘는 포도맛 젤리래. There are 3 flavors. 이렇게 세 가지 맛이 있네. We can use it later. 이따 사용해보자. For the first step, we have to put the crackers on the tray. 오늘 선생님은 I'm gonna use the square cracker. 이렇게 네모난 크래커를 사용해 볼 거야. Put the cracker. Put the cracker. 이렇게 잘 놓는 거야. 잘 놨어. And then please cut the cheese into 4 pieces. Cut the cheese into 4 pieces. 이거를 4조각으로 만드는 거야. 치즈를 4조각으로 해볼까? Cut the cheese. Cut the cheese. Okay, and we're gonna put the cheese on the cracker. 치즈를 크래커 위에 이렇게 올려놓는 거야. Like this. And then cut the ham into 4 pieces. 햄을 4조각으로 잘라. 알았지? Ready, go! Cut the ham. Cut the ham. And then put the ham on the cheese. 햄을 치즈 위에다 이렇게 올려놔. 자, like this. And now spread some sauce. Today I'm gonna use some jelly. 젤리가 아니지. We're gonna use some strawberry jam을 써볼래 오늘은. 자, scoop the jam and spread evenly. 이렇게 골고루 잘 이렇게 발라주는 거야. Spread evenly. When you spread, please use the opposite side of the spoon. 이렇게 뒷면을 사용하는 거야. 알았지? It's almost done. 거의 끝나가는데 there's another last step. 마지막은 뭘까요?
Jelly.
Yeah, right. Jelly. I'm gonna use grapes jelly. 이 grapes 포도맛 젤리를 넣어야지. Put the jelly. Put the jelly. Wow. Look at this. Ooh, it looks yummy, isn't it? 맛있어 보이지? 맞아. Wow. So now let's sing together. Put put, cut, 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 cut. Spread, spread, spread. I can make canopies. So now you can enjoy your canopy. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca. Today's mission start. Let's make canopies. Put the crackers. Cut the cheese. Cut the ham. Put the cheese. Put the ham. Spread, spread. Put the jelly. I can make canopies. Enjoy. Goodbye.
Put, cut. Spread, spread. I can make canopies. Let's make canopies. Put the cracker. Cut the ham. Cut the cheese. Put the cheese. Put the ham. Spread, spread. Put the jelly. I can make canopies. It looks yummy. Enjoy it.